Okay? Okay, now ready? Now I will show the magic of ABCD. Okay? What will I show now? ABCD magic. Okay. Understand? Clap, 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 clap. Okay, stop please, stop. Now I will show the magic. Juma. What is this? A. Okay. Rumpy. Shush. Okay. What is the sound of A? 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 Okay, nice. Okay, understand? Now I will show you the magic of B. Okay? I will show you the magic of B. Okay? Dum. What is the sound of B? What is this? Okay. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Understand? Okay. Now I will show you the magic of C. Okay. What is this? Okay. What is the sound of C? Okay. The sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. Nice. Very good. Now I will show the sound. I will show the picture of G. Okay. Now before showing the picture of B, I will show another picture of Hagdum. What is this? What is this? Okay. This is dog. Before dog. Okay. Now dog. I will do invisible and go dog. Okay. And now I will show another D words. Okay. And I will show you the another D picture. Okay. বের হ কোথায় আছিস বের হ রাম বের হয়ে যা What is this? Donkey. This is the okay. Before donkey. Okay. Now we have understood that. What is the sound of A? What is the sound of B? The. What is the sound of D? Ja. Okay, understand? Now got it? Okay, now clap please.